Hey everybody, Renee here from O'Reilly Auto Parts to show you how to change a blower motor resistor. A blower motor resistor controls the fan speed of the blower, so if you have a blower that's stuck on one speed or doesn't work on certain settings, it could be the resistor. Today I'll be working on this 2005 Dodge Magnum, but procedures will vary from one vehicle to the next. So be sure to know the specifics of your vehicle before getting started. If you're not completely comfortable doing this yourself, we'd be happy to recommend a professional technician in your area. Once you have your supplies together, here's what you'll do. If your blower motor resistor was in use before doing this job, let it cool for at least 5 minutes before working with it. First, disconnect your negative battery cable. Set it aside someplace where it can't touch metal. Next, you'll remove the glove box. It'll be easier to work with if you empty it first. With the glove box open, remove the support strap from the hook on the outside. Use a flathead screwdriver to pry the tabs on either side inward to disengage the stops, and carefully lower it. Pivot the bin downward and disengage the hooks from the instrument panel hinge brackets. Carefully lift the glove box out from under the dash and set it aside. Remove the screws that secure the blower motor resistor to the housing and put them someplace safe. At this point, you can remove the resistor from the housing, disengage the wire harness locking tab, and disconnect the wire harness from the blower motor resistor. Put your new resistor in position and connect the wire harness to the blower motor resistor. Then engage the wire harness connector locking tab. Now, install the resistor using the screws that held the old resistor in place. To reinstall the glove box, engage the glove box hooks on the instrument panel hinge brackets on each side, and pivot the bin upward. Re-engage the stops by pushing inward on both sides of the glove box. Install the support strap on the outside hook. Close the bin and make sure it latches. If you removed any items, don't forget to put them back. Lastly, reconnect the negative battery cable. And that's it. You'll find everything you need for this and other jobs at your local O'Reilly Auto Parts store or O'ReillyAuto.com. Our DIY videos are designed to help answer questions we get in our stores every day. If you found this one helpful, subscribe to our channel to get all the latest. We'll see you again soon.